You have brains in your head. You have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. You're on your own. And you know what you know. And you're the guy who'll decide where to go. Dr. Seuss.
Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create those type of Instagram Reels using AI. It's absolutely free for join. So this link I will check my video description for easy access. You need to go in here and log in with your Gmail. This is the first step are done. Now click on create video, then choose avatar video, then again click on create portrait video. If you want to create a landscape video, select landscape, but I'm gonna show you right now portrait. Then here is the lots of professional and public avatar have right now. I select one, then okay, I select this one Gorgia, then I can select this one. Okay, I'm going on google.com, then I collect quotes from this website USA Today. Now I'm again go on this website, then just paste your script right now here. Okay, this one. Okay, that's good. Now choose your speaker, AI speaker right now. Okay, this is really good. If you choose others, this doesn't matter. Choose if you preference. I select this speaker right now. If I rendering this video preview, just a button animation is available after submitting this button. Just click here, submit. Okay, that's good. My video 720 pixel. That's good. Then click on MP4. Okay, submit right now. If you buy this plan, you are eligible for downloading your video up to 180 pixel. Then now only 720 pixel. Okay, don't worry. This video I will create for only educational purpose. Then just download this video. Are no subtitle right now. Keep watching. Then open your CapCut software on your PC or mobile phone as well. Just import your video, this one, then click here. Then I want to add some very nice caption with this no speech recognition. Just click on caption. This CapCut tool generate gorgeous caption exclusively for me. It's 100% free of cost. You don't need to spend any single money here. Just click on this text, then select any template you choose. So I go template, then this one. I choose this goat. Now go to export, then again click on export. Now after watching this video, if you have found this video helpful for you, please make sure like and subscribe this channel. And now I'm playing this video.
You have brains in your head. You have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. You're on your own. And you know what you know. And you're the guy who'll decide where to go. Dr. Seuss.
This is a exclusive video only for you guys. So see you next video. Take care. Goodbye.